Hello, we are Team 47 and our project title is Open Eyes. Our client was Jason Brown, who is the founder and CEO of Across Health, which is a commercial partner of the Open Eyes Foundation. One overview, Open Eyes is an open source data entry web application for eye doctors developed by Moorfield. It enables clinicians to access information needed about patients in one place and replace the currently employed paper-based system. However, the application is incomplete, and our task was to add some functionality to Open Eyes by creating a user-friendly drag and drop widget to replace a piece of paperwork that can be integrated into Open Eyes. This piece of paperwork is filled out by nurses before a patient has an operation. It contains a checklist of items which are normally eye conditions that the patient can have in either or both eyes or neither eyes. And the nurse normally quickly fills this out by annotating the piece of paper and ticking sides accordingly. The user will see the front end of the system, which will be a web application. However, there'll be more going on at the back end. The technologies used were HTML, CSS, JavaScript. For JavaScript, we used a number of libraries: jQuery, jQuery UI, and some plugins like jQuery UI Touch Punch. And for the back end, we used PHP. Here's a demo of the key features. So as you can see, this is the application, and this is the set of conditions that the patient might have. And then you can just simply drag and drop the conditions in either any box, any relevant box. And if you want to see additional information about each condition, you just double click and additional information is shown. And also you can add comments to each condition to say how bad it is, as well as order the conditions. Also, if you want to, you can add conditions by typing it in here, by adding conditions by clicking on the add button and then typing in the title and the code for the item. The code can be used to look at even more information in the SNOMED CT browser, which opens as the pop-up, as you can see here. We believe that we met all of the Moscow requirements for the should have, could have, and mandatory. Because we maintain a checklist of findings and diagnosis, we manage the attributes of each checklist element. We have 3 different drop sites. Each element can be dragged and it will be cloned if it needs to be. There's call to attention, so the user knows where they can drop the item. The user can add comments to the elements. The user can add new elements